fabulous. I love it, I love it, I love it.
The right things when I'm hurting. You always pick me up when I am down. It's like you have a spark that leaves me burning. You just have your ways to get me high.
Hi, I'm Andrew.
Now I'm Barbara.
This is Barbara Bakes. This is my beautiful wife, Barbara. She is an amazing chef and baker, and she is the founder and owner of Badass Cakes in London. Every year, my professional baker wife sets me a challenge of making her birthday cake. So no pressure, right? What's this year's challenge?
Well, this year I've decided to go for something a little bit different. And rather than have a tiered cake, which is what he's done in the past and done really well, by the way, I've decided to go with a log roll, whoosh, whatever you'd like to call it. But it's a thinly baked cake with a beautiful cream filling, and it's rolled. And getting that right is quite tricky, but I know he can do it.
Love's a gun and baby, you're my trigger. You kiss me in a way that gets me high. You make all my dreams come true. It feels right just being around you. We could break up and then make up. I always come back to you. You move me in a way never thought anyone could. You get me high, you're my drug when I am feeling blue. Yeah, it's all you, 'cause you're the one. Yeah, the one. Yeah, you're the one. Yeah, the one. Yeah, you're the one, babe. Yeah, you're the one. Yeah, you're the one, babe. Yeah, you're the one. Yeah, the one. Yeah, you're the one. Yeah, the one. 'Cause you're the one. Yeah, the one. Yeah, you're the one. Yeah, the one. You know the drama is never ending. Don't let it get the best of you. And all the fake friends just keep pretending. That's how the little things get huge. Paralyzing every pore. Oh, you feel it taking over you. To the center of your core. The lies are getting overused. When you are under the weather, getting caught in the storm. Do you remember? I told you if we dance in the blizzard, we are not getting cold. So keep on dancing, baby. Baby. Baby.
Right, so what we're going to do now is we've got our lard, we've got our chocolate covering, we're going to put it in the fridge. It's going to cool and get nice and solid so it absorbs all of that chocolate covering, and we are going to go and do some birthday things with Barbara, okay?
How I've tried, written down the words to say it is time. I've been waiting 5 days to explain how you make me feel inside. Baby, got it all figured out, wanna do this right. There's no doubt in my mind, baby, you're the one. And tonight, I am going all the way. The way you touch my hand, it all goes away. The things I planned, the things I would say, now I keep rambling on. I sound so cliche. What I am trying to do is say I love you. And all the things that you do. Sounds like a fool, 'cause when you touch my hand, the words goes away. What I am trying to do is say I love you. You don't know how I shiver inside. Doesn't show, but my nerves are inside out. It's because you're not worth less than perfection. Ooh, thought it was in my hands, now I'm all confused. Turning gold into sand, don't know what you do to me. All I know is you can take my breath away. Yeah, 'cause when you touch my hand, it all goes away. The things I planned, the things I would say, now I keep rambling on. I sound so cliche. What I am trying to do is say I love you. And all the things that you do. Sounds like a fool, 'cause when you touch my hand, the words goes away. What I am trying to do is let you know that when you touch my hand, it all just goes away. The things I plan to say, oh baby, what I am trying to do is let you know that when you touch my hand, it all goes away.
That was so good. The cake itself is light, it's moist, and the cream, wow, the cream is unbelievable.
So, did you like your cake?
It was delicious, it really was. You did a good job. Well done.
So, one more year to go for another one.
Who knows what I'll get him to do next year.
We hope you liked the video. We hope you'll make the cake. If you like the video, please subscribe, put your notifications on, like, and please leave your comments in the box below. We really want to know what sort of cakes you want Barbara, not me, to make. So look out for more videos, more cakes, beautiful cakes from my beautiful wife Barbara.
And I'll be with you soon with another video. See you next time.